Okay, my dear students, please pay your attention to the whiteboard. Tense. What is tense? Tense equal to action related with time. Action related with time. When action is related with time, we call it tense. Tenses tell that when the action was performed, they show the time of action. For example, I say, I am teaching you now. What is this? I, you, am teaching. Am teaching shows the time of action. Am teaching shows time of action. Main verb is teach. Okay? Am teaching, it is present continuous tense. Keep in mind, when you are to find a tense, pay your attention to the form of verb. Form of verb decides. Form of verb, verbs are of two types: helping verbs and main verbs. Helping verbs and main verbs together decide which tense is used. First of all, I would like to discuss present indefinite tense with you. Form of verb decides which tense is used. What is present indefinite tense? Present indefinite tense or present simple tense or simple present. There are three names of this tense: present indefinite tense, present simple tense, present simple present. And I have told you that in present tense we use the first form of verb. Which form is used in present tense? First form. First form of verb is used in present indefinite tense. What does present indefinite tense indicate? Present indefinite tense indicates number one, routine work in present. What does it indicate? It indicates routine work in present. Number two, universal facts and truths. Number 3, proverbs. Present indefinite tense indicates these 3 things: routine work in present, universal facts and truths, proverbs. First of all, I say routine work in present. I teach in government college for Tabbas. It's my routine. It's my routine. Number 2, you come to Harim Science Academy. It's your routine. Routine work in present. Which form is used? First form. You come to Harim Science Academy. It's okay. Number 2, universal facts and truths. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. It's universal truth. Number 2, water keeps level. It's universal fact. Universal truth or universal fact is also translated in present indefinite tense. And the third and last, that means proverbs. 2 and 2 make 4. God helps those who help themselves. Understand? These are 3 main uses of present indefinite tense. First form is used in this tense. Routine work, universal fact, proverb. These 3 things are found in present indefinite tense. And first form is used in this tense. How? First form of verb is subject is. What is subject? If the subject is third person singular, if the third person subject is third person singular, what is third person singular? It's he, it's she, it, any singular noun. We use s, es or is after first form of verb. S, es, is. We use s with most of verbs. When a verb ends at o, x, ch, s, sh, double s, we use es. As goes, teaches, mixes. For example, he goes to college daily. Sir Khizr teaches in government college for Tabas. He mixes water and milk. He mixes water in milk. We use es. For the verbs ending at o, x, ch, s, sh, double s. Understand? If a verb ends at y, if a verb ends at y and there is no vowel letter before y, it will be changed into ies as he flies kites, she tries her best to pass the exam. Understand? It's present indefinite tense. We use first form or first form plus s, es, ies. And now I tell you its indications. I have told you about its uses: routine work, universal truth or fact, or borrow verb. Three main uses of this tense. Universal truth is clear, proverb is clear, but there are some words which show that sentence is in routine work, and these are always, daily, every plus time. It means every day, every year, every month. Daily, every, often, usually, seldom. These words show that sentence is in routine work, and we use present indefinite tense. If the sentence is negative, we use do not or does not plus first form. Do not, does not. Third person singular takes does not, and the others do not. Interrogative, we use do or does before the subject. I show you an example. I go to college every day. It's positive sentence. If we change it into negative, we say I do not go to college every day. It's negative. If we turn it interrogative, do will come first. Do I go to college every day? Question mark. It's interrogative. And if it's negative interrogative, we use do I not go to college every day. It's a negative interrogative. And there is a sentence which has question word. For example, when do I go to college every day? Or why do I not go to college every day? Keep in mind, in our sentence, first thing will be subject, then verb, then object. If sentence is negative, subject, helping verb, verb, object. Question, first of all helping verb, then subject, then verb, then object. Negative interrogative, helping verb, subject, not, main verb, object. If there is question word, first of all we use question word, then helping verb, then subject, then if it is negative interrogative, we use not. If it is positive interrogative, it is verb. Object comes at the end. Do you understand what I have said? If you have any question in your mind, you are free to ask. Amir Khan, have you any question? Junaid Khan, any question? No? Okay.